Kids today, Papa Pig buy a television. He want to watch the Sesame Street and for his children. Now we go to the house of Daddy Pig. Let us open the house. Open. And the other side. Wait, hello everybody. I buy a television for my family. This is our new television. George and Peppa sitting to their house and they want to watch some television. This is the dinosaur of George. Daddy, I like that television. Yes, I bought this television so you can watch your favorite TV character, Sesame Street and the Cookie Monster. They will go here in our house today. Aha! Wait, I will drink some water. I'm thirsty. But by the way, you can watch now the television. It's Sesame Street. Yay! Yay! Where's the water here? Here. Oh, where's your mother? Our mother. My mother got to the supermarket and she bought some groceries. Okay. Sesame Street is coming today, so we have to clean our house. But we can watch some movies. I will clean here. Clean the bed. Clean the kitchen. And our fireplace. Oh, what time they will go here, Dad? I think today. Beep beep, beep beep. Oh, Sesame Street and Cookie Monster is here. Bert Ernie, Sesame Street, and Big Bird. Beep beep, beep beep. Sesame Street and Cookie Monster, welcome to our house. Wow, you have a nice house. And I like to go inside and, oh my God, you watch our movie and television. Yes, they are favorite of my children. Oh, this is Bert. Aha, and Ernie, Cookie Monster, and Big Bird. They want to watch your movie. Yay! And of course, Peppa Pig is excited. I want to take picture with you. Bert, Annie, and Cookie Monster is here. And Big Bird. I have an idea. Why not we go to the park or farms so we can see some beautiful animals. Okay, we go to the farm. Let's go. Okay, kids, this is called a barn. Look at the trees there, and you can see some farm animals in the barn. That's a cow and a horse. And on this side, you will see a big tractor. And I can drive this tractor. And of course, a chicken. Daddy, I like this one. Is this also in the farm? No, it's a giraffe. And also, George, look at the farm here. There is called a fish pond. Wow, a lot of fish inside a fish pond. And you can see a pond there. You can see a frog. That is called a frog. And you can see a bee going to the flower. He likes the flower. How about the lizard? Oh, lizard! Where's the lizard? He's on the top of the barn. It's a baby lizard. And so many things you can see in the farm. I enjoy going to the farm and see some different animals, farm animals. Where is your mother? Our mother is still on the market. Nadi, what is this? This is called a pineapple. That is called an orange, strawberry, and a strawberry. This is a farm. And as you can see, some farm animals like the sheep, meh, rooster, and Sesame Street Ernie, Cookie Monster, and Big Bird and Bird enjoy also going to the farm because they see a lot of animals. Oh, it's a bee. The bee like the smell of the flowers, and he goes the fruits, and he like it. He like it so much. Whoa, he's flying too high. He got to the tree, and he loved the trees. And also Sesame Street and Cookie Monster wants to go to the pet shop. They want to buy a dog. Wow, pet shop, Daddy. Yes, we will go to the pet shop today, and we will buy a dog. A dog. Yes, where's the pet shop? This is called a pet shop where you can buy your animals that you can enjoy and play in your house. Daddy, I like a dog. Dog? Yes, I can give you a dog. But George, you have already a dinosaur here. A cute dinosaur. Daddy, I like a dog. I want a dog, Daddy. Okay. Let's see if there's a dog in the pet shop. Knock, knock. Hello? Hello? Is everybody here? Bert and Peppa Pig go to the pet shop, and they ask if somebody is here in the pet shop. Hello, everybody. Is somebody here? Yes, you are here. What I can do for you? My son George like a pet. He likes a dog. Dog? I think I have an idea. What color of the dog you like? I like George. What do you like? I like a white dog with a black. Okay, no problem. We have a dog here in the pet shop. And let us see. Now, wait, open the gate. The pet shop is so nice and beautiful. And as you can see, there is a dog. Woof, 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 woof. The dog is still sleeping. There is a dog inside. And he's still sleeping inside the pet shop. What time should we wake up? Let us see. Open. Let us open the pet shop. And let us see what is the dog there. This is called the pet shop. And the dog are still sleeping, still sleeping. Woof, 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 woof. You like that dog, George? Yes, Daddy. I like the dog. Okay, this dog is very cute and very kind. Let's go, George. Yeah, I like the dog. I like this dog, Daddy. Okay, we will buy that dog. Ernie and Daddy Big ask the price of the dog. How much is the dog? Oh, it's only $28. Oh, no problem. I can buy that for George. Yippee, yippee, I have a new dog. George is very happy about his new pets. And this dog is very kind. You can bring him to your house now, George. Okay, he's the our favorite. Today, Peppa Pig and family have a nice idea. They will go to visit the friends. They want to have a vacation together with Ernie. So we will go to the other friends for a vacation. Now we will go to the plane. Okay, let's go to the plane now. And we will have a short trips. Ta-da! This is an airplane, exclusive airplane of Mickey Mouse. And we will use them to go to our friends too. Let's go! George first go to the plane. I want to sit here on the back seat together with the dinosaur toys of George. And how about you, Peppa? Ta-da! Oh, it's so high. I sit in the front of George. I want to see the side on an airplane, the view. Okay, you're gonna sit there. Peppa Pig sit on the other side. They want to see the view outside the airplane, where they can see a beautiful nature. How about you, Ernie? No problem. I am there in the back seat. Okay, I am the pilot. Daddy Pig is the pilot. Now, let us close the airplane. Shh. It's a very long trip. And George and Peppa is there in the airplane. It's a very, very long trip. And they now going down in the airplane. Welcome to the house of Sesame Street. Sesame Street is here. Welcome to our house. You are welcome to our house. Oh, let's go down. Daddy. Hi. And of course, Ernie with his friend. And George. Where's George? I bring my toys. George to go down together with his dinosaur toys. And Peppa. It's a very fast trips. So we need to take the rest in your rest house. No problem. You are welcome to our house. This is our house. Ta-da! Open the door. Ta-da! And you can relax and open and relax inside our house. It's a big, big house. That's good. I am hungry now. No problem. We have ready cookies and bread inside our oven. And we have a refrigerator here. We have an ice candy, strawberry cake, and watermelon inside. I'm hungry. But Daddy, I'm feeling good. Where's your other son? This is Peppa. I'm sleepy, Dad. I want to take a rest. No problem. You can go upstairs and take a rest. This is our room. This is a cute room where you can see the nice view outside. You can close the door and open it. It's still snow. And the other side, George can go to and relax. Wow, it's so nice here. And we can see the beautiful view outside. And where's my dinosaur? Here's your dinosaur, George. I cannot sleep without the dinosaur. Ta-da! And ta-da! It's already morning. And the sun is already there, set up. And Sesame Street welcome their friends. Welcome our friends here. And Cookie Monster is the driver. And Ernie, welcome to our house. You can enjoy Daddy watching also some movies. Where's the movie? Here's the movie. Ah, it's your television is so big. Wow, it's so nice. It's so cool and nice and relaxing there. You can sit down in the sofa and watch a television. And of course, I want to pee. No problem, George. Daddy, I want to take a pee. No problem. You can go to the washroom and take a pee. And if you want, there is a toothbrush there and powder. And how about this one? This is called bed for the children. Wow, I like hear that too. And there is a clock when you wake up. Wake up! Oh, I'm falling in now. This is a cool house. And everybody's stay and relax in the house. I think we need to go back and see some interesting and beautiful places here in your country. It's time to go and relax and enjoy the beautiful place here in your country. Let us now close the house and we will travel using our car. Ta-da! Okay, team, let's go. We will travel again. Let's go. Okay, kids, let's go. Our first visit is Jurassic Park. Jurassic Park, yes. Because George likes a dinosaur, so we go to the Jurassic Park. This place is called the Jurassic Park, where you can see the different dinosaur, fossil and authentic dinosaur. Beep, 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 beep. Wow, so many dinosaurs here on this beautiful park. As you can see, the dinosaur is so big. Wow, what's that? The dinosaur is moving too. And we go to our direction. Wow, the dinosaur is moving. These are called the big dinosaur. And this part has a lot of dinosaur. And you can see this is a T-Rex. Look at the T-Rex. It's so moving and big. And the other one, and of course, this one too, is another dinosaur. How about this one? This is soft dinosaur. Oh, it's cool, Dad. It's a moving dinosaur. How about Daddy? Can I go down and see them very close? Yeah, no problem. I like this big dinosaur, Dad. It's so big. And Daddy Pig also take a picture in the big dinosaur. And Peppa like to go there. It's a cute dinosaur. How about you, Sesame? We don't want to go down. How about you, Bert? Oh, no problem. These big dinosaurs are very good and rare. They are so very big, but they all lived a million years ago. These are not the real dinosaur. They are only made by the human so that children can see the dinosaur again in the present. But all of these are now asynthetic. All right, that's good. I like this brown dinosaur. It's moving fast. Wow! This looks like a real dinosaur. Oh, it's going to Peppa. Peppa liked the dinosaur too. And these are so big. 20 times of us. George and Peppa are very happy to see those dinosaurs here in the park. Now it's time to go to another place. Now it's time to visit the Queen. The Queen, yes. Let us see the beautiful Queen here. Wow, she has a beautiful car. The Queen is here in the palace. And look at this car, so nice. Hey everybody, welcome to my palace. As you can see, this palace is so small, but you can enjoy here in the part of my palace. And you can see a big chameleon here with a big eye. This is my big chameleon. And I have a big iguana and gecko. They are my pets and my animals. Oh, George also like to see them. So interesting. And these are helpful to our environment. Like gecko, they eat some mosquitoes and insects to prevent them pests. And they all eat some insect too. They are very helpful to our nature, to make our nature beautiful and balanced. That's good. So I learned a lot. Peppa Pig also like to go near the iguana. And of course, George like to see the gecko. This gecko and iguana help the balance of nature. And I like to see them closely. It's a big eye. Aha! Ernie, Cookie Monster, and Big Bird also enjoy seeing them. Thank you for visiting us. I hope you enjoy seeing them, and we will see more animals in my palace park.